Although I have a small garden, I would love to attract as much wildlife as possible. During winter, birds can really use our help. In this video, I show you how to make your own bird feeders with a homemade fat ball mix. But first, a trip to my local forest to search for pine cones for my bird feeders. Although I have a small garden, I would love to attract as much wildlife as possible. A healthy wildlife balance in the garden helps us to get rid of pests like slugs and snails. Birds are not only very useful, but watching them in my garden gives me so much pleasure. Today I'm going to make fat balls for the birds. I'm using bird seeds with sunflower seeds, peanuts and mealworms, and I'm going to put that in these pine cones and these tiny terracotta pots. Mix it all in. And now I'm going to fill the pine cones with this fat mix. This one is finished. I've put a string around the pine cones so that I can hang them in a feeding station. This is the last one, but yeah, I think these look nice. So now I'm going to pop them in the fridge so that the fat can harden a bit, and then I will hang these outside for the birds to enjoy. And I've also prepared this little terracotta pot with some rope and and a piece of wood so that it doesn't go through the hole. So then I can hang it like this. And I'm going to fill it with the mix as well. I'm going to make a peanut string for the birds. So all you need is some rope and some peanuts and a large needle. I hope I have inspired you to make your own bird feeders. In the next video I will show you how to make a cheap feeding station and hang the homemade feeders in the garden.